we are continuously improving our licensing site based on feedback from our customers. The web pages shown in this video may therefore differ from the ones you'll see on the site when you log in. We offer 4 services that businesses can use free of charge. They are License Status Checker, License Pay Only, License Assist, and License Management. You must have a business account on our licensing system to use these services. To begin, go to our website at www.gov.uk/SIA and click on Log into your SIA online account. This is the first link in the purple list in the center of the page. On the login page, enter your email address or username on the left-hand side of the page, followed by your password. Then click the blue Login button underneath to log into your account. Once you have logged in, you will see your business account homepage. If you selected to use our License Status Checker service, your homepage will look like this. If you selected to use our License Pay Only service, your homepage will look like this. You can stay up to date about the licensable status of any operative by adding them to a watch list. Watch lists tell you when licenses are due to expire and whether they are active, suspended, or revoked. After a license expires, it shows as non-active for a period of 3 months. Then it's removed from the watch list. The name of the license holder will not be shown during those 3 months. You can create personalized watch lists to meet your business needs. For example, to monitor the operatives working on a particular event or venue. There is no limit to the number of watch lists you can create. To create a new watch list, select the Watch List tab. Select the Create a Licenses Watch List button and give your watch list a name and a description. These should be something that will help you remember what the watch list is. Then click the Save Watch List button. Once you've saved your watch list, you can add the details of licenses you wish to check. To add license numbers to your watch list one at a time, select Add a license to this watch list. You can then search for a license holder or a license number. If our system can find a match for the details you've entered, the result will appear at the bottom of the page. Tick the checkbox to the left of the license number and then select Add Selected License to Watch List. Repeat this search and selection process until you've found all the licenses you want to add to your watch list. You can add multiple license numbers in one go by uploading them in a CSV file. To do this, click the Watchlist Upload and Summary button. Under the heading Bulk Add Licenses to this watch list, click the grey Browse and Upload button, browse to wherever you've saved the CSV file, and select it. An on-screen message will tell you when the file's been successfully uploaded. Our system will process this file and email you a report of how many records were in the uploaded file, how many were added to your watch list, and how many failed. For example, because the license number you gave us was incorrect. Click the grey Back to Watch Lists button. Your new watch list will be listed on the page. The grey Actions button to the right of your watch list gives you 3 options: View, Manage, or Delete. The View option takes you to the View Watchlist page. You can sort the list by clicking on the table headings, or you can search the list by the person's name or their license number. Select the Export button to export your watch list as a CSV file. The Manage option takes you to the Add or Edit a Watchlist page you used to create the watchlist. The Delete option allows you to delete the watchlist. Our License Pay Only service includes all the functionality of our License Status Checker service. It also allows you to pay the license application fee on behalf of license applicants, but they must agree to this by linking their SIA online account with yours. You can pay with a debit card or credit card, or by direct debit if you've set that up with us. We explain how to set your preferred method of payment later in this video. The Applications Awaiting Payment box on the left-hand side of your homepage tells you how many applications you can pay for. Clicking on the box will take you to a list of those applications. You can pay for multiple applications by using the checkbox on the left and selecting those you want to pay for. After making your selections, click on the Pay Now button. We will ask you to confirm that you want to proceed and tell you the total amount you'll be paying. If you're happy to proceed, click the blue Yes button. If you're paying with a debit card or credit card, you'll be taken to a form on the gov.uk website that will ask you for your card details. Fill in the form and confirm the payment when you're asked to do so. If your payment is successful, you'll see this page. The payment website will send you a receipt by email. We will also send a message confirming the payment. We'll send this to your registered email address or to your online account, or both. If you're paying by direct debit, we'll take the payment. We'll send you regular statements so that you have an audit trail of what payments we've taken and when. To invite someone to link their SIA online account with yours, select the People tab and then click the Invite Operatives to Link with Your Business button. To send each invitation one at a time, enter the person's forename, surname, and email address into the form on the left-hand side of the screen. Then click the blue Send Invitation button. You can send multiple invitations in one go by uploading the details in a CSV file. To do this, click the grey Browse and Upload button on the right-hand side of the screen. Browse to wherever you've saved the CSV file and select it. Whichever method you choose to send your invitation, the email address you enter must be the one registered to the recipient's SIA online account. Once you've invited someone to link with you, that person will appear in the list featured on the Our People page. You can sort the list by clicking on the table headings, or you can search the list by the person's forename or surname. The action date is the date you sent the invitation to link. The recipient has 48 hours to accept the invitation before it expires. The consent status will show as pending until the person accepts or declines the invitation or it expires. Any link you establish using our License Pay Only service will automatically expire when we make our licensing decision, whether that decision is to grant or refuse. You can end the link at any time. To do this, click on the grey Actions button to the right of the person's name and select Unlink. We will ask you to confirm that you want to end the link. Click the red Remove Link button to confirm your decision. If you unlink from a license applicant while their application is in progress, the application will be automatically cancelled. You can pay for license applications with a debit card or credit card, or by direct debit if you've set that up with us. To manage how you prefer to pay, click the Business Account tab and select Payment Preferences from the menu on the left. To pay by debit or credit card, select Card from the drop-down box under Payment Preferences and click Save. To set up a direct debit, select Direct Debit from the drop-down menu. You'll see 3 grey boxes appear under the heading Direct Debit Mandate. You can ignore these for the moment. Instead, click the Download Mandate link, which will take you to a page on our website where you can download the Direct Debit Mandate form. Fill in the form with your company's details and then send it to us. You can post the form to us or email a digital copy to revenue@sia.gov.uk. When we receive the form, we'll update your business account to unlock the 3 boxes we mentioned earlier. We will contact you to tell you that we've done this. You must then enter your bank name, sort code, and account number into the boxes and save them by clicking the blue Save button. If you don't, the direct debit will not be set up. It can take up to 10 working days for the banking system to set up the direct debit. You can cancel the direct debit at any time by contacting your bank or building society. Please tell us if you do.